Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nas Adibah with Yusoff. So today I like to share to you guys about the tools that we needed to make a drawing, technical drawing. Okay, first of all, of course, we need to have pencil, and pencil have a lot of codes, and usually we use HB for the guideline or hatching. We use B for normal line elevation, 2B for timber, window, brick, metal cut or roof tile, and then 4B or 5B for concrete or drain cut. Okay, next we need to have this set square and piece ruler. Why we need these two is because this one have two angles here, and we need to have these tools because we want to make a straight vertical line using this set square with half of T ruler. So we just move up and down, so we get the straight line of vertical line. So the T ruler function is to make a horizontal line. Okay, next we need to have a protector because in drawing we had to do some angles such as roof angle, so we use this protector to make the angle. Okay, next is eraser, of course, to erase the mistake that we make. And then this pen scale ruler. Pen scale ruler, we have a lot of scale on this ruler. Okay, we use this pen scale ruler for measuring line and transferring measurement at a fixed ratio of line, such as we want to draw a gazebo length of 3 meters. So we use any scale that we want and we find the 3 meter that we want. So we finally transfer the drawing, the real for the drawing paper, in the drawing paper. And lastly, of course, we need to have a drawing board. Drawing board is to easy for us to draw, to draw and to move the tree real smoothly. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run.